traditional cooking shows. You're stirring this, you're chopping that. Oh, it smells so good. We are not your traditional cooking show. I don't know of any other cooking competition show where women are gonna be cooking in bikinis. It's a healthier approach to food, demonstrating their active lifestyle, and expressing what the bikini chef means to them. There's no other show like it.
I'm from Miami. Of course I got what it takes to win this competition. You see how spicy I am? You already know I come with all the flavors. In Miami, we get the flour and the bread. I got more where that come from. All right, I got more where that come from. I got more of that.
All right, so we cannot wait to taste your dish.
I can't wait to make it.
So you're gonna present it to us. We're gonna serve it up and we're gonna taste it. We're gonna try it.
Thank you all for choosing Bill Hattie's Kitchen where love comes for the fingertips. We truly appreciate your support.
Your favorite thing to cook in the kitchen? Where's your
My favorite thing is to cook is the hamburgers. I'm gonna keep it simple and comfy and cozy. It's cheeseburgers. I can make fried chicken. I can make pork chops. I can even make lamb. Call it whatever you want. Is oh my gosh, I got you.
Yeah.
Nice and juicy, tender, delicious flavor mixes that goes in. Will never go wrong. Always invite me out to the barbecue.
Well, Miss Chocolate Velvet, I want to know what inspires your style of cooking.
My grandmother. Just the excitement of how she made people feel as far as when they came over after church and they came down, my grandma made smothered pork chops, smothered liver, white rice, pound cake, upside down coconut cake. And just to see how it just made everybody feel gathered in love and unity and family. I do the same thing, so that keeps me going and see my kids just enjoy it too, and to know that the family is always gonna be at the table. That's what drives me.
You said all the right things.
It's not just a culinary competition. She's going to be representing the brand. She's representing the lifestyle that I have been promoting and living for 25 years.
Why burger?
Because it's simple, but it's delicate.
But I think the big trend now is eating healthy, eating right, and really caring about your body, what you're putting into it.
And a lot of people don't know how to either season it right to make it flow through the cooking process of it, or some people just don't know how to cook it properly. And if you know how to, you gotta know with burgers, you gotta know how to do it perfectly, whether it's on the stovetop or on the grill or even on the ice cream truck. I'm gonna wow these judges with all my personality and spunk.
What do you do to keep a healthy lifestyle and that balance?
Salads, soups, fasting, fruits.
Fasting. I love that. That's
Because regardless of how much you eat or how less you eat, it's about how you allow your body to intake it.
I like that answer. You get more brownie points.
I searched the globe for a diverse blend of experts. Let's meet the team.
I want it either spicier or less spicy. I'm gonna be a little tough. I'm extremely honest.
When it comes to food, I want to be able to enjoy everything. I want to have like a lot of flavor. I don't want it to be bland and boring because nowadays they're pushing the super healthy, but like I want something that everybody can have and still look good. And I feel like I'm a great representation of that because I've competed in pageants and I'm a model. So if I'm able to enjoy food and it looks delicious and it tastes delicious, why not you? When it comes to cooking, I'm all about healthy, delicious, and I've been in the kitchen since I was very little.
I want it either spicier or less spicy. I find it in the middle ground where it's just kind of, when I'm tasting the spices, it's just kind of a texture. And I want to be able to identify when I take a bite, the first flavor, what I'm getting through in the finish. So I don't know if it's gluten-free, which is harder, and I give you credit for that, because gluten-free is not easy.
When it came to the quesadilla, the judges seemed like a certain spice level wasn't what they liked, but that's their preference. At the end of the day, I know a lot of people that would love this, and it's perfect because it's for everyone, not just people that like super spicy or no spice. It's just right in the middle, so it's for everyone.
I'm Christine Kern, one of the celebrity judges for America's Next Bikini Chef.
Chicken can get dry really quick, and you have to really like soak it in some kind of sauce or something to really give it that good flavor, especially inside of a quesadilla wrap, which is already dry. So you really got to sauce it up. Sauce that chicken, baby.
Absolutely.
Sauce that chicken, baby. Well, I think I agree with you. Like it was kind of a more shredded shredded chicken, whereas maybe wanted like the chunks and you can like bite into it like with those fresh peppers. But I still thought it was, you know what, she has cilantro in there. I love to use fresh herbs in my foods, right? It helps bring out the flavors without adding fat and calories.
I feel like the foodie world for cooking shows is really kind of bland, no pun intended. I feel like it needs to spice it up a little bit and put some more flavor in there. And I think that's what America's Next Bikini Chef is gonna bring to the table.
I did like the texture part. When you mentioned that, I was like, that was a really great balance of textures, a lot of fun things going on in your mouth, like a party in your mouth. So I think she did well, and she's really adorable. I really like her personality. I think she definitely lives a healthy lifestyle, so there's a lot of pluses for her.
And she
And
knows
your friend.
our international
I know.
supermodel
So
here.
clearly fitting the criteria.
Yeah, when I met her, she was one of the sweetest girls ever. So, you know, I didn't want to be too harsh on her, but I just had to be honest about the rice. It was definitely not what I was not expecting the rice to taste like that. It was a little bit hard.
It's not only about the food. It's not only about the active lifestyle. It's not only about what the bikini chef means to them. It's everything together. And all of those factors will help determine who is America's Next Bikini Chef.
All right, everyone, this is the dish that I'm presenting to you guys. As you can see here, like I said, chickpeas is very it's like a comfort food, you understand? So we use chickpeas for everything. It's not even just for salad. We can have it in a soup, like I said before, you know, and it's very good for the digestive system, especially if you're trying to for gut health. It's really good for that, you know? And then you have, of course, you have the peppers there, and you have the salmon with a spicy sriracha sauce. So it gives it a really twang.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Beautifully presented.
Yes.
I love all the colors.
Oh, yes.
That's the thing about me with color. Like, I feel that you should enjoy what you see on your plate. I am extremely excited for the competition, and I hope I can bring the Caribbean Asian flavor to the TV screen. The thing about Jamaica, we eat food that's alive. So live food is what you're supposed to put in the body. It's not supposed to be anything processed, because when you eat processed, you feel processed. Does that make sense?
That's right.
Wow.
My mama, remember I told you, a colorful plate is a healthy plate, and that is not
absolutely.
processed. Okay, we're gonna fight over this salmon. Salmon is my favorite food. I eat salmon almost every day. I even have a salmon skin bikini with salmon skin shoes to match.
Oh my God.
Is it anywhere near?
I think in being true to the Bikini Chef name, I'm looking for women that are very confident in the decisions that they make in their daily lives, from the food they're putting into their bodies, from the things they're doing in their day-to-day activities, to just who they represent as a person overall, how they treat other people.
For me, especially as a kid growing up, I always was that kid that I always had colors on my plate, and all my friends used to make fun of me. They'd be like, "Why do you have so many colors?" Because I want to enjoy what I'm eating, and that's how I want it. I want people, when they look at food, that they're excited. That look, I just got this cherry, let's say a cherry tomato or olive or something, but they're enjoying what they see. So it's not like, oh, I have to eat because I'm hungry. It's more like, I can't wait to eat this.
So, Chef, what's your favorite thing to cook at home?
My favorite thing is actually gonna be so funny. My favorite thing is actually curry goat.
Curry goat is great.
Curry goat?
Curry goat. Yeah.
I got you, go.
Over.
I don't know if I had a curry.
Yeah. You know, when you're cooking curry goat, you know, you have my mom or my aunt, you know, would make roti. And there's two types of roti that you make, which people say roti is Jamaican. It's not. It's from India.
Okay.
Also, people from Persia eat roti. There's two types of roti. There is the dal roti, which the dal roti, in the middle of it, it has beans in it. Okay, and it's like a, you know, like a, kind of looks like a tortilla, but you know, our version. Yeah. And then you have the flour roti. So, you know, it's a comfort food for me.
Each contestant is going to bring their own culture and cuisine and spices and dishes to the show.
I love the fact that there was like a tiny bit of spiciness to it, because I like a little bit
You
of
good
spicy,
spicy?
not too much.
Right.
Not too much.
Oh, probably.
Yeah, so I really enjoyed the taste of the shrimp, the texture of it, everything. It was really good. As the Miss International World Supermodel 2021, I noticed that giving back is a very important thing to do when you are a pageant queen.
This has been a fantastic day. Would you agree?
Yes.
Yes, okay, we're taking the show on the road. I'm Susan Irby, and this is America's Next Bikini Chef.